Very good morning to dear students. Debugging from the 16th slide we are starting our class. What is debugging? Bug we know. Resolving the bug from the software program is debugging. The process of determining the cause of a failure is known as debugging. Determining the cause of a failure is known as debugging. It is a time consuming and error prone process. Debugging involves a combination of a systematic evaluation and intuition and a little bit of luck. The purpose is to isolate and determine its specific cause given a symptom of a problem. There are three approaches to debugging: brute force cause elimination, in that induction and deduction, backtracking. So debugging is the resolving or determining the cause of error, and three approaches of debugging: brute force, cause elimination, backtracking. Unit testing in extreme programming. Extreme programming. Here you observe the diagram. Test first process in XP. Extreme programming. Here story, understand, add a single test, add code for the text, execute all tests. The result, whether it pass or fail. It pass, story complete. Next story, no, we have to add a single test. If fail, rework on code. It is the flowchart indication. Unit testing, we are taking an example. Pick a requirement, that is a story, write a explanation about the diagrammatic presentation, write a test case that will verify a small part of the story and assign a fail verdict to it. Write the code that implement particular part of the story to pass the test. Execute all tests, rework on the code and test the code until all tests pass. Repeat step 2 to step 5 until the story is fully implemented. Unit testing in extreme programming. Three laws of test driven development. One may not write production code unless the first failing unit testing is written. One may not write more of a unit test less than is sufficient to fail. One may not write more production code than is sufficient to make the failing unit test pass. Here the three laws: one may not write production code, one may not write more of a unit test case than is sufficient to fail, one may not write more production code than is sufficient to make failing unit test pass. Pair programming in XP code is being developed by two programmers working side by side. It's pair programming. One person develops the code tactically and other one inspects it methodically by keeping in mind the story they are implementing. JUnit. It is the framework for unit testing. It is a framework for performing unit testing of a Java programs. Other frameworks: NUnit, C# implemented, CPP unit, C++, FUnit, Fortran. So JUnit in Java programming unit for unit testing. Intuitive steps to test a method in Java. Example: move method of planet class. Create an object instance of planet class, call it Mars. Select values of all input parameters of move. Compute the expected value to be returned by move. Let it be y. Execute method move on Mars with the selected input values. Let move return a value called z. Compare the actual output z returned by move with the expected value y. Already we know that the test case expected output value will be checked out or compared with that of the actual returned value. If z equals to y, move passes the test, otherwise it fails. Report the result. JUnit makes writing of test cases easier. JUnit, continuation of the previous slide. JUnit provides a basic class called test case. The tester extends the test case class for each test case, 10 extensions for 10 test cases. Alternatively, extend test case to have 10 methods for 10 test cases. Here, the test case class provides methods to make assertions. So, assert to true, assert false, assert equals expected actual, assert equals expected and actual and double tolerance and another parameter, 3 parameters. Assert same, object expected, object actual. Assert null, object test to object. The tester can have their own assertions. JUnit, a framework for unit testing continuation. Each assertion accepts an optional first parameter of type string. If the assertion fails, the string is displayed. The assert equals method displays a message upon failure. JUnit.framework.assertion failed error expected. Note that only failed tests are reported. The following shows how assert true works. Static public void assert true. If not condition, throw new assertion failed error. JUnit continuation. Here a programming example test suite. In that we have the import statements. Public class my test suite extends test case. Here the code is writing and public void my test case 2. This method is the second test case and the previous method is the first test case. In the test me object 1 equals to new test me. Create an instance of test me with desired parameters. Int x equals to object 1 dot method 1. Invoke method 1 on object 1. Assert equals 365 is the value x. 365 and x are the expected and actual values respectively. Here the compared to the previous one. In this also test me object 2 new test me double y equals to object 2 dot method 2. In this invoke method 2 on object 2. Assert equals 2.99 y 0.001 d. 2.99 is the expected value, y is the actual value and 0.001 is tolerance level. So if we understand the first test case, my test 1 method, automatically we can write my test 2 also. Tools for unit testing. Tools: code editor, bound checker, documenters, interactive debuggers, in circuit emulators. Code editors. Code editor tool is used to check the quality of the software to ensure that it meets some minimum coding standards. Code editor check whether it meets minimum coding standards or not. Bound checker can check for accidental writes into the instruction area of memory or to other memory location outside the data storage area of the application. Name implies bound. Memory boundary is checked. Documenters tool read the source code and automatically generate descriptions and caller or callee tree diagram or data model from the source code. Interactive debuggers. These tools assist software developers in implementing different debugging techniques. Example: breakpoint and omniscient debuggers. In circuit emulators, it provides a high-speed Ethernet connection between a host debugger and a target microprocessor, enabling developers to perform source-level debugging. Tools for unit testing. Memory leak detectors. Continuation the tools. These tools test the allocation of memory to an application which request for memory and fail to deallocate memory. Static code or path analyzer. These tools identify paths to test based on the structure of code, such as McCabe's cyclomatic complexity measure. McCabe's cyclomatic complexity measure, already we know that in the UC software engineering class, cyclomatic complexity is calculated, where V is cyclomatic complexity, E is number of edges, N is number of nodes. If a strong connected graph is constructed, then the calculation equals to V equals to E minus N plus 1. Tools for unit testing continuation. Software inspection support helps schedule group inspection. Test coverage analyzer measure internal test coverage, often expressed in terms of control structure of the test object, and report the coverage metric. Test data generator assist programmers in selecting test data that cause program to behave in a desired manner. Test harness tool supports the execution of dynamic unit tests. Performance monitors the timing characteristics of the software components be monitored and evaluated by performance monitor tools. Network analyzers have the ability to analyze the traffic and identify problem areas. Simulators and emulators. These tools are used to replace the real software and hardware that are not currently available. Both the kinds of tools are used for training, safety, and economy purpose. Traffic generators. This produces streams of transactions or data packets. Version control. A version control system provides functionalities to store a sequence of revisions of the software and associated information files under development. So the name implies whatever the functionality of the tool. By this slide, we conclude this class and meet in the next class with the new topic of the control flow testing. Thank you.